Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use structure blocks in Minecraft. So yeah, and it's just like a 6-minute video, so yeah, all you gotta do is type /give as structure underscore block and it should give it to you. Then let me just get like a structure, so like I have to build something, and then you can like copy that structure and then paste it somewhere else with ease instead of using /clone. Structure blocks are more easier to do it. So for example, in my case, I'm just using a tree because I do not want to build a structure. I already did like tens of millions of times and I'm tired of it. So I'm just gonna do this tree. And yeah, so let me just get back to it never mind. So right here, if you guys look at it real quick, you have to make the tree like go inside of the box that you guys are seeing right there. And so see, as you guys can see right there, I'm trying to make the tree fit in the box right there. So yeah, just mess around with the XYZ numbers and things and you'll eventually like get the hang of it, and you guys will know how to do these things. And then just type any kind of a name for the structure name. It can be anything, and yeah, don't click any of those. Those are just for like if you want to show the box or if you don't. And yeah, alright, now let's go somewhere where we can paste the structure. Now type in the name that you saved it as and then click load, and then click load again at the bottom, and then it should save it. But it saved half of the tree. It's because I didn't make all of the tree fit in the box. So now I'm gonna adjust the height and make it bigger. So now as you guys can see, the whole tree is in the thing. Now I'm just gonna go back to the structure block and click load, and it should load in all of the tree. Alright, now as you guys can see, I just copied and pasted this tree with ease, and I didn't even have to place like a single block while doing it. And you guys can also do the same thing with like entities and like items. For example, if you guys want to like duplicate items like real quick, instead of using the structure blocks method, you guys can just use this structure block method. And this is actually really good for other things. So as you guys can see right here, I'm just putting a random name and making the box like that. So it's like 1 by 1 and at the top of the structure block. And then scroll down and then click remove blocks, so that when you like execute and then like load it in somebody, it doesn't break the block that they're in, or yeah. So just do that. If you're doing for entities, just remove blocks and yeah, click that toggle button and then let's get rid of blocks. And then just right there, just wait a few seconds so that the item or entity can just like stay there, and then just click save, and then you can just go to the structure block and then just load that item in. Or you can just do it much easier way by typing /structure load or delete. You can delete your structures that you saved before, or you can just like do save from here, but I'm just gonna go with load right now, and then the name of your structure that you saved. So mine was rod, and then like the coordinates, so your exact coordinates, or you can just use tilde. That's just like your exact coordinates that you're standing in. And as you guys can see, I got the rod that I just duplicated. As you guys can see, every time I type it, I get it. But if you guys want to do this to like a player, just type /execute at the random player or someone, run /structure load, and then yeah, just do that command. Now I'm just gonna make a Y, like a structure that's like the letter Y, and just like show you the method to like rotate the structure. So if you guys want to like not rebuild it, alright, well this came out not so good, so I'm just gonna like break these blocks after this and just yeah, rebuild it. But until that, let me just explain it. So there's also one thing that they added, so now you guys can like rotate structures. So you guys can rotate 90 degrees, 0 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees. So yeah, now I just made like a better Y. Now I'm just gonna put that in the structure block and make sure to put it there, so the structure block isn't there. And now I'm just gonna adjust the things like the box to make it fit in and not like overlap and do things. And then just name it and then save it. And then just go somewhere and then load it and then type the name of the structure. And now if I just click load right now, it will just load the same thing. But if I want to rotate it, for example, like that Y right there, all I gotta do is scroll down and then at rotations, like adjust it. So 90 degrees, as you guys can see, that was 0 degrees over there, and now this is 90 degrees. But if I want to do it like opposite, like 90, like past 90 degrees, all you gotta do is 270 degrees. Right there, and it will just do it. Like, just mess around with these and you'll understand it. It is very easy as soon as you understand it, and this can be like the most helpful thing you've ever learned in whole Minecraft. So, if you can also do 180 degrees, just basically gonna reflect it from wherever it is. So, it's just gonna make the opposite of this Y. As you guys can see, the structure block is on the other side now. And yeah, that's for the Y. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye all. And yeah, comment down below.